Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to install Google Chrome on your HP OmniBook 7 Flip. Open the Start menu, then open Microsoft Edge and make sure you have an internet connection. Go to Google and search for Google Chrome. You'll see the Chrome browser result, which leads to google.com Chrome. Open it, scroll down, and select the download button in the middle of the page. The setup file will download, then run it and click Yes. Close Edge and wait for Chrome to finish installing. After that, the browser will open automatically and you'll also get a desktop icon. You can choose to sign in or stay signed out. To set Chrome as your default browser, click here, otherwise skip. Now you're ready to use your new Google Chrome browser. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.